Welcome to the channel, y'all. On this episode, we're going to be repairing this fence gate for a neighbor in need. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, we've got the new wire ties holding the fence nice and tight. Everything's plumb. Hinges are tightened up. The gate latch itself is tightened up. And when you open it up, it free swings without grabbing the ground and putting a bind on it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all on the next one.